Hello everyone, welcome back to 60 Thoughts. In this video lecture, we will discuss one of the interesting topic. Find the probability density function of a one-dimensional random variable capital X if the cumulative distribution function is capital F of x equal to 1 minus e power minus lambda x, x greater than 0. If x less than or equal to 0, the cumulative distribution function capital F of x equal to 0. What is given? F of x is given, which means what? Cumulative distribution function is given, that is nothing but f of x equal to 1 minus e power minus lambda x, x greater than 0, 0 otherwise. Okay. So what is our target? We are going to find small f of x. Small f of x means what? We are going to find what? Probability density function. So whenever they give distribution function, which means capital F of x, we should know how to find the probability density function, which means small f of x. Okay. So how to find this? So we know properties of a distribution function. What is our property? We know small f of x d by dx what? Capital F of x, which means we are going to differentiate with respect in capital F of x function, we get small f of x. Okay. So I am going to differentiate with respect to x in the given function. Coming to first interval, what is differentiation of constant? That is 0. So we know what is d by dx of c, that is equal to 0. What is differentiation of e power ax? That is nothing but e power ax into a. So coming to given function, differentiation of constant is 0. So 0 minus. So what is differentiation of e power ax? Coefficient of x is called a. Okay, right? So e value is minus lambda. So we can write this e minus lambda x into a. A value is what? Minus lambda. Okay. So that is equal to what? Minus minus plus. We get lambda into minus lambda x. Okay. Okay, coming to second one, the second one is what? Capital F of x value is 0. So when you constant, you get always 0. Okay. So therefore, we can write what? Probability density function small f is equal to, what is first interval? Lambda e power minus lambda x if x greater than 0. If x less than or equal to means your small f of x value is what? So 0. So therefore, this is called what? Probability density function of the given cumulative distribution function. I hope you are enjoying this session. Thank you.